500 different airlines. Plus,
hey, how you doing? This is Tom. Let me turn this down. Whoop. And this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another little radio from Jeff's collection. Jeff, I really appreciate you maloning these radios. This is a Juliette FPR-1258E. It's a basic AM/FM radio. Jeff says the reception is fair. You got it for $20 off the Facebook Marketplace. It's in very good condition. It's got a few scratches. There is the band select AM/FM. This is volume on off, tuning. It's got a plastic strap, and it's got a very short telescopic antenna here for FM. Well, actually, oh my gosh, it's about 30 inches. I thought it would be pretty small. And then look at the dial here with the little boxes. That's kind of interesting. Now the pointer is kind of slanted. Not a big deal. FM AM has where's the earbud jack? It's usually on the side. Oh, there it is, right there. There's the earbud jack, or earphone jack. Let's do a little tuning with it, see what we do. We're on AM. Let's go all the way down to the bottom of the band. Uses a 9-volt battery. Turn the volume up a little bit. Oop. There we go.
It's so moisturizing that it
Not bad.
visibly smoother.
Not bad audio.
Skin in just 14 days.
See how that red dial is slanted?
3. I am Jim Rome. Welcome back. First 2 hours been really interesting.
Doing pretty good.
Residents of the risk.
I don't know how many transistor it is. Probably 9, maybe.
For kills.
The plane was registered to a
There.
Florida company owned by John.
Unfortunately, the stations are that direction.
To the New York Times, John Rumpel
See?
said that his daughter, 2-year-old granddaughter,
So let me,
Annie, and the pilot
I'm for the heck of it,
were
I'm
on
going to
the
start
plane.
over. And I'm going to put the radio like it wants to be, just like that. Am I going the right way? Yeah, I'm going the right way.
One of the greatest.
Yeah, it comes in a lot better. There's a weak one.
Did that one game tell you more about Vegas? And was found shortly thereafter.
Whoa!
Missing some of the pipes. Night with a win against the Vegas.
It's doing pretty good.
Para seguir informando, seguir.
Get a lot of Spanish-speaking stations here in Florida.
Has not been found yet.
Matter of fact, I would say there's almost more Spanish than there is English. Okay, let's go to FM. So now we're going to be using the telescopic antenna, so I should be able to face the front of the radio to the camera. And we're starting at the top. Turn the volume up. Lots of music. So we got to tune fast. Tune's pretty smooth. That's the Tampa station. That's usually my test. If you can pick up that, it does pretty good because it's not a very strong station. All right. Did pretty good. Not excellent. Great shape. Looks good. Just a little bit of scratching right there, that's all. Juliette. Again, I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios so I can show them to you. And I want to thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.